Hey y'all, welcome to TNT Homestead. This is Terry. We're down, as you can see, at the cabin this weekend. And basically, we had nothing on tap. The only thing I really wanted to do, if you've seen some pictures before, we had a big counter that we took out of the cabin when we were fixing this place up, and we wanted that oven out of it that we can hopefully use as a propane oven, and we wanted to use it for an outdoor kitchen that we're working on. Well, we'll be working on. And so anyway, I took that out and got that taken care of, and then took a trusty hammer and smashed the rest of it to bits, and decided, since we had so much rain, well, you really can't see it anymore, but right there is a fire, or what's left of one anyway. So that's pretty much it. We haven't done a whole lot. Went down, it was hot yesterday. Well, it was warm today, but it was hot yesterday. We went down to the river, did a little fishing, walked around, got in that cold river as they were letting out water, and it was just a nice way to cool off. Didn't catch anything, but that's how it goes. So yeah. Y'all, these sunsets are just gorgeous out here. And then that cabin's something else. I love seeing the sunlight filter through the trees. But yeah, I mean, it poured. When I was working, I had to stop. Well, I had to stop because of this. Once that broke, we finished getting everything into the burn pile, and then went out to dinner. It was so good. Came back and enjoyed the rest of the evening. Really and truly, my wife's always telling me I need to not work so much, and not she's over there giving me the yes. But I needed to rest and relax more. One thing I have had people ask was about our showers. And so we're still set up here. So let's see here. Here is our shower. Nice shower head on an electric pump into a 5-gallon bucket. We fill most of it full of cold water, and then take a pan and get it hot on the stove. And we'll have to rinse this off. With all the rain, it's messed it up, but stand on a tarp, and well, there you go. It's a good thing we're in the middle of the woods. It's Sunday night. Have to go to work tomorrow. Tracy has to go home, and we're just enjoying the rest of this evening. Just trying to figure out what we're wanting to do here, where we want to put stuff. I think we're starting to figure it out now that we've spent a full year on this property. Well, we've owned the property for a full year. We've come here off and on throughout that year. We've hit all the seasons: rainy, dry, hot, cold. and we're good. So anyway, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. And just enjoy the beauty around you. Oh man, sorry. I know. Let's see. Hold on. It's just beautiful out here. Anyway, y'all have a good one. Take care, y'all. Bye.